Welcome. In this video, I am showing you the two possibilities to make tripod-like videos from handheld content. If your video is not moving in the beginning or the end, you can simply check and use the lock horizontal and the lock vertical option and forget about the horizontal and the vertical movement filter settings. However, often this only works if you cut out the bad moving parts in front of the video or at the end before using the FreeStabilizer. Now we also need to set the crop properly. At first, we look to the cutting frame in the player and then we check the black border margins in the flow paths. After a few cycles, we found the best settings. Sometimes it also makes sense to use a horizontal and a vertical offset specified in the export settings section. The other option I will show you now. At first, you have to set the filter depth for horizontal and vertical movements to the maximum. In the current version 0.2, this is 500. This are 1001 frames averaged at filter type 1 and about 2 or 3 times more for filter type 3. If we take a look to the stabilized path, this path is not always tripod steady and not placed well in the beginning section and the end. So we set the custom start and end values to flatten the beginning and the ending camera path. As you see in this clip here, we even need to overcompensate the path here with setting the value to 700 to get the flat path near 1000 pixels offset. As you can see, the camera path looks almost flat. The small movements are hardly noticeable in the video. The unwanted and famous rolling shutter effect from the camera can be seen more than any camera movement. Also, the wet heat air combined with the telezoom lens does show a wobbling, which cannot be compensated at all when there are moving objects in the record. I hope you do find my new software and my editing advices useful. If you like my content, please subscribe and help me pushing the software plus the channel and republish and improve my content under the Creative Commons license. The official download page link for the FreeStabilizer is in the description below of this video.